Hey guys, I'm Em, and today on SpecNreviewz, we're reviewing the Logitech G430 headset. On the headset itself, it's adjustable. The band is made out of metal, and it's quite nice. The size of the headset that I adjust to is about 6.5 inches. The smallest adjustment is about 4.5 inches. Your headset swivels, so it can go flat when you're not using it, or you can hang it up on a wall when not in use. The ear cuffs themselves are soft and comfortable, and so is the headband. It's made out of the same material, so when you press on it, it's really soft. Your ear fits in the whole entire cuff, so it feels really comfortable on your ear. There's no pressure, fits good. The headband itself, it kind of gets me sore on the top of the head, so I wish there was some more comfort, or maybe my head's just being sensitive, but that's the only problem I seem to have with comfort, but I'm sure once I work it in more, that problem will go away. Your ear cuffs are washable, so they just come off. You just pull it off like that, and you can hand wash them. The cable itself is made out of a braided material, and the cable length is 7.6 feet long or 2.3 millimeters long. So it's quite a long cable. Should be able to reach from your computer desk to from around your computer desk to you. On the cable, you have your volume controller. So you have a scroll wheel for your volume to turn it down or up. You also have a mute button or a mute slider for your mic. So you turn it on or off. And on the back, there's a clip so you can clip it to the back of your shirt when you're gaming. Your cable also comes with a cable tie. It's just Velcro. This is originally how your cable will become packaged. I have not found a need to untie all of the cable. I use it for my Blue Yeti, so it's perfect length for me right now, so I'm keeping it there. Your 3.5mm jack for your sound and your microphone can connect to your USB controller that was included with your headset. You connect them just like that, so you can connect it to your PlayStation, or you can also connect it to your computer. To get the 7.1 surround sound, you need to download the Logitech drivers. This is a recording of how your headset will sound when you're on your computer. It might change when you're playing on your PlayStation on how your voice sounds, but this is how it is on the computer. You can actually hear your voice through the headset when you have the microphone on. You can hear yourself speak. That's a really nice feature, so you know if you're not getting too loud and crazy, blowing off your friends' ears and stuff, so that's always good, or just yelling throughout the house. When it's muted, you can't hear anything. Sound quality on the G430 headset is not the best that I've heard. The bass is super low. There's nothing real flashy about the sound, it's just kind of there. Unfortunately, I tried to use the 7.1 surround sound, but when you install the drivers from Logitech, your headset won't work. Downside. Logitech needs to put out a update for that, so we can actually listen to the 7.1 surround sound that these headsets are capable of. From software base, obviously. But without the drivers installed, you can listen to your headset and use it just fine. So that's how my experience has been. Yeah, it's kind of a bummer. But other than that, it's a comfortable headset. You got a mic to talk to your friends on Skype, Discord, whichever, to play a game. And you can connect it to your PlayStation. You might be able to connect it to an Xbox, just because it's a USB. You can give it a try, no guarantees. But yeah, pretty good. And this was a review on the Logitech G430 headset. Thank you for watching. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I'm Emily on SpecNreviewz, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye!